Hi, in the last session, we talked about type conversions in VHDL. We explained how to use them and how to create your own functions for different type conversions. Now let's talk about others keyword in VHDL. We have already seen this keyword few times before and at different places for different use cases. And now I will explain this little more detail. So let's start. Others keyword has two main use cases, depending on the context that where it is being used. First, it is used in case statement. So it covers all the choices that have not been specified as choices. We discussed this in the case statement session. So we will not go in details here. Second, the others keyword is used to assign some values to all the elements of an array, regardless of its size. So this is the area where we are going to focus in this section. So first, let's see that how it works. Here we have an example of 8-bit STD logic vector signal called A. Suppose I want to assign logic 0 to the every bit of this vector. So there are a couple of ways of doing this. One simple and straightforward method is to write it out as a binary value like this. A gets the value of 00000000 semicolon. This method works fine for the small vectors, but for the large arrays like 64 bits or 32 bits, it is just time consuming and just waste of efforts. The second method is using hexadecimal notations. So you can assign a value like this. E gets the value of x00 semicolon. So to write in hexadecimal, we have to use letter x followed by the hex number. Remember that hex values are written inside the double quotes, and X here notifies that the value is an hexadecimal number. This method works fine when the signal length is multiple of 4. For example, hex assignments are suitable for 4-bit, 8-bit, or 12-bit signals. However, they are not suited for the signals with the length like 6 or 7 bits because these are not multiple of 4. The third method is using others keyword. So we can write this like A gets the value of others are 0 semicolon. This statement assigns the value 0 to all the elements of this array. So now you do not need to take care of the array sizes. This method is efficient and works for any array sizes. So when you are dealing with very long vector signals, this method is preferable over the other methods explained here. There is one more benefit of using others keyword in assignment when you are designing your system for flexible items. For example, you used generic in your VHDL design to adjust the width of STD logic vector signal for some of your component in your VHDL code. And you used hard-coded assignment while resetting the signal. So when you try to change the width of your signal from generic, it will come up with error because you just changed the generic value for the vector signal, but did not adjusted the initialized value or reset value of those vector signals. They are still fixed to some specific length because it is hard coded. So you will have length mismatch and VSDL will not allow that. So instead hard coded values, what if you use others keyword for the initial assignment or for the reset assignment? Now there is no problem with your code because others keyword will assign the value to all the elements of vector signal despite of its length. Okay, so that's it for today. This was a small but important session because good designers always try to make their code more flexible and future ready. So try to use this as much as possible in your designs. In the next session, we will be talking about tri-state drivers. So stay tuned for the updates. If you did not subscribe till now, then please do subscribe to learn and grow community for regular updates. If this video is informative, then please like this video, comment on video, and don't forget to share. Thank you for watching.